Digital Mentor here. Today I want to teach you how you can earn $500 by typing names online. Now guys, this is going to be an easy way to make money online and it's going to be available worldwide. I know a lot of you like to know methods that are going to be available all over the world, so this is going to be one of them. It's going to be really easy. I know that a lot of people have been asking for things that are super easy, require no experience, that you can even do from your smartphone. I know a couple of you don't have laptops or desktop computers, so this is something you're going to be able to do even from your smartphone. So definitely stay for this entire video because if you do, I am going to show you a little hack at the end that's going to make things really easy and you're going to be able to make more money um, each time as long as you stay through the whole video. Now you're going to have to stay through because I'm going to do this step by step, and if you don't stay, you're not going to know exactly how to make this really quick and easy on yourself, and you're going to get confused, and this method of making money online is not going to work for you. So stay for the whole video and you will get my little hack at the end. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I know a lot of you are watching and have not yet subscribed to this channel. Make sure to just hit the subscribe button. Also, if you haven't done so already, make sure to hit the bell icon so you can get notifications every single time that I upload videos. I know that I was slacking this week. It's been a little crazy in the house, but I will try my hardest to make up for it. Definitely stay for the whole video though. If you are looking to quit your job and become an online entrepreneur, you want to be making all of your money online and staying home with your kids, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's going to be the first link in the description below. Uh, so getting right into this video, we are going to look at a few different sites. So the first one that we're going to go to is called Squad Help. Now, what Squad Help is, it's like a business naming site, but they're also looking for little catchy quotes and things of that nature. Like everybody runs on Duncan, America runs on Duncan, things like that. But for today's purposes, we are going to just be looking at naming these businesses. Now, I wanted to give you a quick overview of how the site works, and I will warn you, it is going to be a $5 fee to get yourself signed up for this site. Now, this fee is going to be completely refundable. The reason that they're doing this is they're trying to weed out people that are not that serious and they're not going to be delivering the best work possible. Nobody wants to waste time. So it is going to cost you $5 to get yourself signed up. It's a really quick, easy sign up. And if you decide that this method of making money online doesn't work for you, it is completely refundable if you decide you don't want to do it. Uh, so getting right in here, I just want to take a quick look at just the way that it works. Now they do names, logos, taglines, and then they have testimonials. We'll just pop over right there real quick. See, as you can see, they tell you that the people here are giving really quality work, and I think that has to do with the $5 fee that they're charging people to get themselves going on here. Now they have popular names, new arrivals, browse by category. There's a bunch of different little places that you can take a look at. So right now we are just going to go over to how it works. Now what you're going to be doing is you're going to be submitting names and things for contests. Now there are a lot of big name companies that are doing this, so you have the opportunity of making quite a bit of money here on Squad Help. So if you want to just take a look and see kind of what people are already making, these are some of the winners. And they are winning $100 here, $300 here, $100 here. So there are a lot of people making money on this site, and it's really crazy. It really is, just by typing names online. So it's really awesome. I highly recommend just taking a look at it, taking a look at how it works and things of that nature. And it's really simple and easy. All you're going to be doing is typing names online. If you're going, I'm not that creative. If you ask me to think of something, you put me on the spot, I'm going to be drawing a blank. I'm going to have a huge writer's block. That's where my little hack comes in very useful at the end of this video. So once you get yourself set up with your account and you're ready to rock and roll, you are going to go to contests, and then you are going to browse contests, and you want to go to active contests. So once you go over to active contests, you want to just take a look at all of them because you never really know what's going to stand out for you. Ideally, you want to look at the newest contest. Right now, we're just going to browse the award amount so you can get a kind of an idea of how much money it is possible to make. As you can see, it's 300, 300, 250, 250. Then as you scroll farther down, you're going to be able to see the folks that really have a lot of money to spend. So let me just get scrolling for you because I already took a look at this really quickly before I decided to make this video. And see, it's 100, 100, 100. Now, guys, you're going to want to enter yourself in every single contest that you see on here just because you never know which one you're going to win. If you win 4 or 5 little contests, you're going to be making $400 or $500. So these people are looking for a website name for an e-commerce business. Now, there are a lot of entries on here, but the winnings are going to be $1,000. $1,000 for name this hotel, which they have a bunch of entries in there. That's another $1,000. Then it's an intriguing name for a tech company. $500 you could win. Another $500 for a name, logo, and tagline for a home inspection business. So the opportunity is really, really, really big here. You can make a crazy amount of money. But as I said before, as you can see, some of the more higher paying ones have a lot of contest entries. So we're just going to pop right up. The way that I tend to browse through these is I like to browse through the newest. So we're going to go right up here. We are going to go to the newest contest. There we go. So as you can see, the newest ones only have like 61 entries, 80 entries. So you want to get those in and really just take a look at those. So brand name for a high-end household composting products, name for a medical business, next level mobile marketing. So you can just take a quick look at these, find a couple that stand out for you, and then pick them, and you're going to need to name them. And that's where I come in with my little hack. So let's just find one, a medical business. Let's just take a quick look at this one really. Yes. This invitation only, naming a contest that is seeking a business name for a medical business, is only open to certain creators. Now you're going to see that a couple times when you do this. So you're just going to have to pop out and you're just going to have to keep looking. Name for a custom woodworking shop. So a few of them, you're going to get that weird little thing. Now, when you're looking at this, they're going to tell you exactly what type of business it is and exactly what they are looking for. We are an online store that manufactures a variety of writing implements, home decor, custom design for those staying ahead of the Joneses. So now what you're going to think about is woodworking. You're going to take a few different ideas of the kind of stuff that you're going to be looking into to making the name. And usually in this little paragraph here, the first few sentences are going to be exactly what's important, and then everything after is just, I don't know, not nearly as important. So what they're going to do is they're going to be manufacturers of home decor and custom designs for those staying ahead of the Joneses. So you're going to put like woodworking, custom designs, and things of that nature when you're going to be looking for the perfect name to use to enter into this contest. Now, another thing that I want to draw your attention to is you're going to have to get a domain name, because a lot of these people, when they're looking to name their business, they're going to want a domain name, a URL that is going to be very similar, if not the same, as their actual company name. So want a URL? Yes, but minor variations are allowed. So the acceptable domain extensions are .coms or .nets for these folks. So they're okay if you have like customwoodworking.com or .net. So once you get your idea, you pick the contest that you want to enter yourself into, to go to a site. called Shopify Name Generator. Now, once we pop right over here, you are going to just go right down here and you are going to, I was just playing with Happy Feet, so don't make fun of that one. So we're going to use custom woodworking design and see what it generates for us. So they have custom woodworking designs, titanium custom working designs, everyday custom woodworking designs, customized custom woodworking designs. So they just kind of really get your mind rolling. Once you have picked one, that's half the battle, because then all you have to do after that is find their domain. As it's said before, .coms and .nets are they're acceptable domain extensions that they're willing to use. So Fierce Custom Working Designs, Protection Custom Working Designs. We're just going to use Custom Woodworking Designs because it's just going to be really easy for the purposes of creating our domain for this video. So we're going to use Custom Wood. We're going to go to a site called GoDaddy Domains. I forgot, sorry guys. GoDaddy Domains. We're going to do Custom Woodworking Designs and see what domains are available for us. And as you can see, we have custom woodworking designers, which is really close, and it's a .com. You could also use custom woodworking hyphen designs.com. You can, and all of these domains are really cheap. They're only 99 cents. So it's like not really much money that you have to put into it. Just in case you don't actually win the contest, you aren't actually losing much out. So if it were me, I would probably pick custom woodworking designs, and then my domain name that I would submit would be customwoodworkingdesigners.com. Now it's really easy. You really don't have to put a whole bunch of thought into it. And with these little hacks that I have shown you, you can enter yourself into a bunch of these contests, and eventually, I mean, the way that it works is you're actually going to win eventually, and you're going to be one of those people on the leaderboards winning these contests. It's really that easy, guys. Make sure to check out the sites I told you: Squad Help, Shopify Business Name Generator, as well as GoDaddy Domain. Domain search, and it's just that easy. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have not done so already, just hit the subscribe button. I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure to hit the bell icon so that way you can get the notifications every single time that I upload videos. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you are really ready to take the big leap and you want to quit your job and work online, make money online, check out my #1 recommendation. It's going to be the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.